Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dmitry Volokhov. I am from Atlantic Star Company, and I would like to present our product, which is called Orbis. Three-dimensional video is a new trend in entertainment industry, and there is a need for three-dimensional rental equipment. Equipment for stage must be safe, attractive, creative, fast and easy to set up and dismantle. Our solution for rental application is Orbis system. Orbis system is mounted at truss installation and consists of the following parts: the power supply units, a truss unit, and light unit strings. Orbis system can operate in low resolution mode with a distance between pixels 120 millimeters. And Orbis system can operate in high resolution mode with 60 millimeters distance between pixels. The most important part of Orbis system is light unit, which is 360 degrees emitting element. There are three types of lighting units: a standard one, a long one, and end light unit. Each light unit represents a pixel on a screen. Light units assembled in long strings. So let's take a look how to assemble a light strings. We need to take first light unit, a standard one or long one. Then we take second one. We made them together with connectors and screw to fix connection. And repeat this operation until we get desired length of string. Thanks to our advanced connection technology, there is no visible connection between pixels, which is very good for television or close lookup. A number of pixels in string can vary, so you can have one light unit, or you can have 20 or 30 or 64 maximum. And any pixel you can remove for maintenance, for cleaning, for repair, or some other purposes. So how our system improve practical use? The first improvement is in safety. A general problem is that it's not possible to hang electric equipment on electric wires because they can broken, they can make a short. This is very a problem for safety. So our solution, we design a special safety system, internal safety system, a safety cord integrated inside every pixel. So let's take a closer look. This is a lighting unit. We remove the plastic sphere of this lighting unit. Then we remove heatsink and sealant nut. And now you can see the plastic cord, a safety cord, which is located between wires and accept a load for weight. So the load applied on plastic cord, not on wires. The second improvement is in brightness. The general problem of brightness and LED brightness that LEDs generate heat, and you need somehow to make this heat go out of this construction. So our solution is to apply a heat sink and to add a special heat transmitting compound. Again, let's take a closer look. So this is a lighting unit without plastic ball. You can see aluminum heatsink, which makes heat goes out, and unfortunately, I cannot show a compound which is inside. The fourth improvement is in creativity. As I mentioned, there are three lighting units. So what we can do is then a standard light unit used to create the long strings and used almost in any string of the system. A long one used to create a high resolution mode. So it comes first in light string, and finally end light unit, which finish all the string. So it looks nice, there is no connector, and looks logical in this case. So sales of our system will start in October 2010. Samples which you can see here show creative possibilities and main part of the system. More detailed information can be found in user manual, which is quite big, and you can see it on our website. So, thank you for your attention. That's all.
Hello, is there a limit on the number of pixels you can have in a string?
Sorry?
Is there a limit in the number of pixels that you can have in a string?
Yes, sure, because of weight, 64 pixels is maximum.
Thank you.
When you plug it together, does it automatically work out how many pixels are in each one, or do you have to tell it how many there are in each string if you're going to map it or anything?
It's not necessary because there is a truss unit which responds for 8 by 64 pixels area. So you can hang up 10 or 20 and they will run. And there is a number of accessories which I don't show, but they are shown in manual. So you can avoid some pixels before.
So if it's 64 in a string, what's that maximum drop then?
Around 7.5 meters.
Yeah, do you know, have you got any idea of what the actual list price?
Sorry?
Have you got a figure of the list price for the unit? Or,
it's around 2,000 euro for high resolution mode.
And how big is that screen?
Sorry, how big?
Yeah.
How big can be screen?
Yeah, well, how big for that amount of money? Is it one unit, one truss unit?
For 4 square meters, sorry.
Oh, okay, yeah. Understood.
It's around its list price, but you know.
Yeah. And so is the innovation in this particularly the string down the middle of the wire that enables it to take the weight?
Okay, I predict your question. So we don't focus our your attention to how to light a ball, because to light a ball is a very old art, starting from 26th last century. So there is no really innovation to make it light even. So we focus our innovation on safety. It's mainly safety because you cannot hang on wires. You have to make heat goes out, and of course creativity.
So it's the idea of having the safety wire and safety cord in the wire. Is that unique
yes,
to your product?
Yes, and heatsink. Yeah. And creativity, because that's very flexible system.
Yeah.
So you can see some. That's just to explain what is exist and what is. That's all.
Well done.
Thank you for your attention.